We have a success story to share. We didn't have all the basic requirements for making this binubudan or rice wine dessert. Not the perfect rice, an old yeast bowl, and extremely cold. Welcome to Romulo's Kitchen and Garden. It's a big reveal. It's time to retrieve our binubudan. Welcome to the reveal. Welcome to my kitchen and garden. It's Romulo. Be reminded that 3 days ago we prepared this binubudan or rice wine dessert. It's been there next to the modem for 3 days. It's still warm, I just retrieved it. And now the reveal. Yes, it has that binubudan or rice wine dessert smell. Alcohol. I can smell the alcohol. Let's taste it first. It's not yet watery. It's already sweet. This is a success, I'm sure. Worth sharing. But let's do the finishing touches. The yeast has done its job. The other microbes have done their job as well, making it sweet. But let's help the yeast finish their job. Let's feed them sugar so that they can finish the fermentation. This is a standard step in binubudan. I see the old people at my body do this as well. So what we do is, let's add sugar. Just 1 tablespoon. Let's dissolve sugar in water. And then just pour the solution onto the rice wine or into the rice wine dessert. As I've said, the sugar feeds the yeast and the yeast finishes its job in fermenting our rice wine dessert. I just keep this in the fridge, and after 6 hours it will be at its best. It will taste at its best. And finally, I'd like to share you the success of this experiment. Oh, if you can only smell it. If you notice, it's not yet that watery, that level that I am accustomed to. Let's pour some more liquid. Really happy. It might come as a surprise to you, but this also goes well with coffee. Yeah. And the longer it stays in the fridge, the more alcohol it will get, and the more watery it becomes. Really hungry.